I'm finally doing the Josh Richards haircut. And Josh is on TikTok, definitely check him out. And I'm gonna break down the haircut after I do it, so follow along, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's break down the Josh Richards haircut. In some of his Instagram videos and TikToks, he's had his hair a bit shorter, he's had it a bit longer, so I figured I'd do something in the middle. So in the back, I created my outline in through here, and I'd say the back is about an inch to an inch and a half the most in length. I did go slightly around the ear, so it is a bit tighter in through both sides, so it has more of a clean, neat look compared to some other TikTokers who have their hair really grown out on the sides. It looks very outgrown and kind of messy. I've noticed he always tends to keep it a bit shorter into the sides here, which helps it look very, very clean. And then I connected the back part. So here we're probably talking about 2.5 inches or so, working into 3 inches. And the very, very top here, I'd say it's 3.5 to 4 inches long the most in through the length. It is going shorter to longer to get that kind of more of that sweeping kind of look into the front and that texture. And I did make sure that you want to make sure this whole thing is layered. That's the key to this haircut, is that even though it's a bit longer, you have to have some sort of flow going on through here and some sort of layers so that when you do style it or you do blow dry it, whatever you do, you're getting that movement in through here and you know, pretty much it creates that kind of shape. It does require some blow drying. I know some of them use a flat iron to kind of straighten their hair outwards this way to get a little bit of a flip. But if you can do it with the blow dryer, then then it's totally fine. But yeah, I didn't use any product. You can use something like I don't know, like a sea salt spray or powder or something, but you don't really need a whole lot of product for something like this. And here we have the finished result. So if you guys can get this out to Josh so he sees it, maybe do a duet on TikTok or tag him on Instagram or something like that, because most likely he'll probably see it, and it'll be great to get some sort of engagement with him. So let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.